I don't mean to sound so dramatic, but there's something that you do. It's got me feeling like an ex-addict. Know I'm feeling for a lifetime with you. Ooh, when you talk like that, but it just makes me. This is once in a lifetime. I think I need a lifeline. I need your body.
Bebe, congrats sa'yo. Natupad na ang pangarap mo. Papakasalan mo na ako. I love you, Bebe.
Cause your love it gives me dopamine and I'm feeling high. There's something to me, and it's something that makes me free.
Since elementary, crush na kasi ako nun.
Siyempre, nahihiya pa ako. Kasi ang babata pa namin noon.
You got me swaying like a wave in the ocean. You got me spinning like a carousel. You got me safe from feeling all.
Dati nakikita-kita ko na talaga siya. Gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. Kaya nung may time na malakas yung loob ko para magsabi sa kanya na baka pwede manligaw.
Tapos, nung sinabi niya yun, nagsabi ako sa mama ko. Sabi ko, Ma, liligawan daw ako ni Jordan. Eh, bata pa kami noon. So sabi ni mama, ay, bawal pa. Pagtapos ka muna ng pag-aaral.
I'm spinning at night, cause your love it gives me dopamine and I'm feeling high. You do something to me.
Bebe, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Matagal na rin natin pinag-isipan. So ngayon matutupad na. At ito na yung araw na yun. Pinapangako ko sa iyo na hindi kita papabayaan. At pinapangako ko sa iyo mamahalin ka habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Giselle.
I vow to love you today and every day after. I promise to support you, listen to your stories and corny jokes, and to walk beside you for the rest of our lives. I love you, Bebe. And congrats, promoted ka na as my husband.
Another drop of rain.
We are gathering here in the sight of God, and these witnesses to join together this man, Juden, and this woman, Giselle, and holy matrimony, which was instituted by the Lord God in the Garden of Eden. Christ speaks of this mystical union between Himself and His church, and between husband and wife.
Robert, Marleo, James. Para araw-araw sila po.
MC, me and baby, Teen, Chris and Joy, Sismon, Hoy, ref! Hoy, sana ka?
Diyos ko, bilang anak, ay maging mabuti kang asawa.
Sana mahalin niyo ang isa't isa. Magmahalan kayo habang buhay.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo sa maayos na pagpapalaki sa akin. At ngayon mag-aasawa na ako. Pinapangako kong hindi ko pa rin naman kayo papabayaan.
It's been 10 years. Imagine, diba? Parang dati lang sinasabi mo sa akin na pangarap mo na ako pakasalan. Di ko alam kung binubola mo lang ako, pero congrats, sumaksas ka na. Ang tagal na rin talaga natin. And most of the time, ay LDR. It was definitely not easy. We have our fights, disagreements, and misunderstandings. Pero at the end of the day, we know that those disagreements are irrelevant.
Bebe, ito na at dumating na yung araw na pinakahinihintay natin. Bago pa man tayo mapunta sa yugtong ito, napakarami na ng pinagdaanan natin. Lagi man tayo magkalayo, ay talagang pinagtibay tayo ng Panginoon. Tayo pa rin kahit maraming pagsubok ang harapin. Ikaw yung babaeng pinangarap at pangarap pakasalan.
But finally, here we are, celebrating our wedding. And today, I say I do to the man who never gave up in pursuing me. Thank you for your patience, for loving me as I am, and for always reaching out and saying sorry when we have disagreements, even when it's my fault. Like what we say, whatever challenges we face, kaya natin, as long as lagi nating pipiliin ang isa't isa. I love so many things about you, but a few stand out. Your thoughtfulness in remembering the little things about me, the kindness you show to everyone, and more importantly, I love that you always talk about our future together.
Ikaw yung babae na napakaganda at napakabait. Walang araw na hindi kita mamahalin. Mahal na mahal kita, Bebe.
We now kiss the bride.